Adding team members to the InField system enables their inclusion within the instructions and templates tables, streamlining operations and improving collaboration. Select the team table from the left-hand sidebar to access your list of team members. To add a new member, start by selecting the Add Team Member button on the top right corner. A form will appear where you can enter their name and surname, then select Add. This will create a record entry for your team member. Once added, you will see the new member listed. Click on the three-dot menu to access options for editing the record, copying the team member to another farm, or deleting the record. If you choose to delete, a prompt will appear where you can then either cancel or confirm the deletion of the selected team member. The team dashboard will then update and no longer contain the deleted member. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For further assistance, be sure to visit our Help Center, where you'll find articles and resources to support you in managing your team.